Hi there, viewer. I'm a pot of paint. Yes, we talking today. My name is Rafe Bone, and I'm here to tell you that my owner paints like ass. He's also sniffing glue before he turns on the camera, and he likes to lick his brushes. Worst of all, dang it, here he comes.
Hello and welcome to this video where I'll show you how I take care of my Citadel Paints. Now, first things first, this is a brand new bottle of paint. It has not been opened yet, and the first thing you want to do is give it a little shake, like this, and then you'll open it to see if everything is okay. It seems so, Otherwise you should throw it back at the store where you got it. This tip is completely optional, but I would strongly recommend it. I got these mixing balls. I believe I got them from the army painter. And what you'll do is take one, preferably two, of these mixing balls and add them to your paint. Like so. And let me show you why. The mixing ball has been applied and now it's time to give it a good shake. And when you can hear the balls move around in there, it's good to go.
Let's set the mood for this idiot.
My deep and sincere apologies for that. I don't know what came over me. Anyways, the next step is clean your pot. When you're done painting, there could be some paint residing at the sides here. You can remove it with a toothpick or anything other you find practical, just to make sure that your lid can close properly. There are many Citadel paints out there. I don't know how many. I own them all. I haven't really counted them, but there's a lot. And as you grow into this hobby and using this brand of color, you will probably gather a few yourself over time. So I would recommend that you get something neat and cool to store them, instead of just throwing them in a box or in a drawer. What I will do is add a link in the video description to the stuff that I use. I am not sponsored, by the way, but there are many brands out there who make great storage options. But please, store your paints properly. And finally, close the lid as soon as you're done with your paint. This will avoid spilling, and if you don't want to close the lid, you can alternatively get a paint holder. Like this one from Citadel, or this one I got from, I forgot, Temu, I think. There are alternatives out there, but really, close your lid. It will also prevent your paint from drying. And by the way, if you ever hear your paint talk to you, seek professional help. Thank you for watching.
Happy painting, y'all.